Alright, so we got a Chipotle one. We're already in the parking lot since this is our area. We like this area. And it's at 750 plus. So I didn't get to see where it's going. And look, that guy almost took him out because they run stop signs over here. These people bad over here, they bad. So let's see where this one's going. Hustle, hustle, hustle. Come on, buddy. This one took a little bit. They
didn't have their Mexican Coca-Cola, I guess. So I sent them a text message.
Yeah.
I'll show the text right now.
Here, so
before we start. Yeah, 1 second.
So I
put they do not have the Mexican Coca-Cola. I'll bring a Coke. He said it was okay, don't worry. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so we got to the customer's house. This car looked like it wasn't paying attention. And the customer has requested contactless delivery, so that's what he's gonna do. He's gonna put it on their doorstep. Babe, the drinks! The drinks! So he... Get the other one?
Yeah, well, I have one hand.
Good job.
Food is, and take his photograph. Emergency. Avanza, nene. Right. Here we are. Wiggle.
Bro, the customer tip here. I want to see who the person with all that money is. The customer tipped me $6.50.
Diablo.
Dash paid me $2.75.
So we got one for Nico Japanese restaurant.
Right there, right now.
And he's going in there to go grab it.
Park in any spot.
Let's see how long it takes for him to grab this one. So he's back. This was a quick pickup. Got everything?
All right. So yeah, like I said, we got this order because I saw it going towards our house. So it's only $4.25, but better than I would have went to my house for free. At least we can make $4.25 going over there. See you when we get there.
So we made it to the address. The customer was outside, so he gave it to him. Oh yeah, que huele perro. Okay, you're live.
Okay, so yeah, customer tip 0. Oh, my dash is over. I set it up for to finish at 7:30. All right, whatever. I'm cool with that. $26.75 today. Started at 5:44 for an hour and 40 minutes. Did 4 deliveries for $26.75.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby. And we're on our way home. See you next time.
Bye.
Hey guys, today's Wednesday the 24th, 5 p.m. Yes.
Alright, so I just got to Buffalo Wild Wings, where I'm stopped. There's no cars behind me, so I'm just gonna hang out here and hope that he doesn't take long getting the order. And let's see how long it takes. Alright, he's got the order. And he's coming back. Oh my god, this guy almost lost his kid. Let him go. He got too much confianza.
Alright,
Kid about to get ran over.
We got Joshua P. Oh, the baby.
Yeah, he's not
Let's see,
watching.
confirm. Directions.
Head southwest.
Alright guys, we're going 2 miles for $5. Buffalo Wild Wings. See you when we get there.
So we just got to the address. We just got to the address where we will be dropping off the food. There he comes. Oh, he's rude. Joel said hi. He didn't say anything back.
Yeah, you always want to, if you can see them or something, if you're walking away, you want to tell them something nice, because that's how you could get tips. They can add tips later. Do I think this guy's gonna have a tip? Absolutely not. But you know, that's what That's what they recommend. So we did $3 for DoorDash and customer tip $2. On to the next one.
All right, so we just got to Chipotle. He's gonna get another order, and let's see how long it takes for him to grab that one. Okay, so this one was fast. Oh, wait. It was parked. And he's got the order.
All right. Let's start this bad boy. Confirm pickup. And I'm pretty sure it's camera drive. Yeah, we're going to Chrome, so let's just take camera drive all the way down. All right, guys, we got a 625. They're trying to add another order going somewhere else for an additional $2. Like, no, I'm good. Yes, just take this all the way down. That's not happening. Not doing nothing for $2. Even if it's, I mean, it wasn't even close to like the same area, you know. So see when we get there. 625.
Oh yeah, it does say that. Okay, so the address is pretty difficult to find because it looks weird, but it says this is the address. But he got thrown out because there's a sign that says, "Come again, we're closed." Like all my life, and I've never been in the shopping center. It's off Chrome.
Yeah, he was in there.
Here you go.
All right. Didn't give me the total. I need to find a way to pause this so I can get gas. So I'm gonna pause. I just paused the order so we can get fuel, and then we'll start again. Yeah, you should be able to. See you after we get gas.
Bye.
All right, guys. We got a Panera Chipotle, which that's what makes the order so high paying. But it's supposed to be a total of 4 miles at 8.25, I believe, or something. So we're going right here to Panera. And then,
which we were right next to.
Yeah, we're right next to each other. There's Panera, and then Chipotle's over there, right there. All right, let's go. I'm gonna see if I can give you some water.
So we read it wrong. I guess, well, he read it wrong because I was parked right there at Panera, and he waved at Chipotle. Luckily, it's right next to each other. So he took off over there, and I'm gonna just hang out right here in this parking spot. All right, so he's got the the Chipotle order, and it took a while.
You could have stayed there. I'm going to Panera.
Well, right here, get out. I'm gonna stay here so I can get out. So he's running now to Panera. Oh my God, whatever this is smells amazing. So there he goes. All right, so he's back. He got both orders.
Let's go to the same house, same name.
Okay.
All right, just had to wait for them. They were making it. All right, confirm pickup, and it's a gate code, so it's a community. 40 something. Oh, hold on, give me a second. I was running a little bit.
Head east.
All right, we're going to Camel Drive, right? Yeah,
So
go to like Waterstone or something.
Oh,
Yeah, that same area where we went down the Tallahassee Road. Sorry guys, I was running a little bit. I didn't have to, but I was doing it just to do it so the wife could stay in one spot. So we got 2 going to one spot for 8 something. She wanted Panera and Chipotle, so she's getting Panera and Chipotle.
we're coming. All right, so we just got to our destination, and he has 2 orders, which is the Panera and the Chipotle. And here he goes. There he is.
All right. Let's see. Oh, because it's splitting something. Look what it's doing. 425. Got it. Oh, that's why. Look.
Should I go to
It put 2 separate orders.
Okay. I don't know if this is the right way. I think it is. So it's good?